All right, we have a PF shower handle. I'm gonna replace the cartridge. This particular shower handle does not have a set screw. All right, let's give it a go. What a funny looking dude. Oh, we gotta change that cartridge. Let's get it. All right, here's what we took out. We need to remove that extension. And here is what they sent us. So we just pop this piece off because we don't need that. Looks like everything's the same. Let's go ahead and remove that stem. Get it swapped over. All right, here we go. We got it lined up. The plate's on, screws are tightened down, the water's turned on, no leaks. Let's go ahead and put the trim back on. All right, trim is going back on. Okay, I think that's good. Let's get it squared up a little better. Let's test it out. FYI, this little plastic piece is just to protect the back end side of the valves. So you don't need that. All right, our shower repair is done. We just had a leaky faucet. We're good to go.